Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement, not necessarily just today, but over the past week or so. And you look down at the volume, and volume maybe not necessarily the biggest it's had, but point being it's remained strong, and the price, has now put in a new high here that hasn't been seen for a while. So a lot of updates need to be made. First, as far as levels of support, and what I would call the ideal level of support going into next week is right there at 290. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 290. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 290, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 290 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Next key level of resistance is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there, slightly above $3 at 302. In the event the price can just continue on grinding and getting through 302, next key level of resistance going into next week, going to be right up there at $3.20. So 302 and then 320, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, as you see here, as long as the price just continues to chip away and build those higher lows, that is the name of the game. But no doubt about it, very nice past week and a half. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.